Hello, I am Amy McDonald, President of MAN North America Flavors. MAN is an international flavor and fragrance organization, 150 years old, 5 generations strong. And we produce flavors, fragrance, and ingredients that help to delight customers and by bringing sensorial experiences to them that create lasting memories. And of course, we do that sustainably. We're very proud to have several offices in this region. We have 900 employees in the Cincinnati greater area, Lebanon, Ohio, as well as the Woodlawn facility. We expanded in Woodlawn in 2013, creating new jobs in the area. And I'm really pleased to also say that we're expanding further with a $100 million investment that will be open later this year. We are very proud of what we are bringing to the community and what the community is also bringing to us, and proud to be creators of jobs in the area. So we thank you very much for this award. We're pleased to accept this for our partnership with Alloy, our partnership with the Woodlawn Village, and also with Ready Cincinnati. We are honored again to receive this, and thank you very much.